Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Rod Smoking Stuff. Today we're going to make some loaded crack chicken sandwiches. So stick around and I'll show you how to make one of the best chicken sandwiches you've ever had. And on top of that, we're going to smoke these to give them an extra level of flavor. So stick around. Alright, so this is going to be pretty simple as far as seasonings go. We've got some sea salt here. And we're just going to salt these down. These are our chicken breasts. We got 3 pounds here, a little over 3 pounds, because one of these is going to be for my boy. He doesn't like chicken sandwiches, so he's just going to eat a piece of chicken. So really we only need 3 of these for our meal. Then we're going to come back with some coarse ground black pepper. And that's a bit much. That'd be alright. We like pepper. We're going to flip these over, get the other side, and we're going to throw these on the smoker. We're going to, getting rambunctious there. We're going to let these smoke until they get to about 165. We'll pull them off and shred them. The other thing we're doing, we got 3 blocks of cream cheese here. We're going to smoke those as well while our chicken is smoking. So let's get this stuff on the smoker. Alright guys, we're just going to throw these on here, right in the middle. Just like that. We're going to take our cream cheese, throw it over here, take our, let's see which one of these is hooked up, this one. Stick that right here in this thick one, right in the middle. We're going to let these cook till they get to 165. We're closing her up. We'll be back when it gets to 165. Alright guys, the next thing we got to do, we've got to get some bacon cooked. And my favorite way to cook bacon is in the oven, because it's easy and it's simple. You put it in the oven at 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Check it after that. If it's as crispy as you want it, you pull it out. If not, you leave it in for a few more minutes. You don't have to flip it or anything. So let's go inside and we're going to get the bacon going. Alright guys, our chicken is 165 degrees, so it's coming off. We're just going to set it in here and then we're going to shred it up, but I'm not going to shred it at this moment because I have to go do something. I'm going to put this in the fridge. I'll shred it later and then we'll mix this all up and we'll get it cooked together. Alright guys, so I made it back. This has been sitting in the fridge for a few hours, so we're going to go ahead and get this shredded up now. And that's the nice thing with this meal. You can do it like that, you know, and just let it sit. Now the chicken's not hot. It's going to make it easy to pull apart. Alright, we're just going to get this stirred up. We'll get it on the smoker. We still got to add some cheese to it. We'll do that here in just a minute. Alright guys, we're going to cover this up while it's in here for the first little bit. Take the cover off for a few minutes. That's why I cook and smoked everything before, because I wanted to have a smoky flavor. If you just put it in here and throw it in here, it's not going to be smoky. It just will put it in the oven. But with us smoking everything individual, it'll have a nice smoky flavor to it. Alright guys, I got my ranch dressing mix. There's 2 packets of that. Got some cheddar cheese. Calls for 3 cups, which we're guesstimating. That's probably 1, this out. And let this get warmed up, and then it'll mix together better. That's basically all we got to do is wait. Probably take about half hour, 45 minutes for it to get warmed up. Alright guys, we're going to take a look here. I think we're going to pull this top off, mix this up. Yeah, that's looking good. Look at that. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so we're going to pull the top off. We're going to let this smoke with that lid on it for just a few minutes. Then we're going to eat. Alright guys, this stuff is done. I got my bun here. Get us some on there. And try this out. See how it is. There we go. Let's see here. It's not a bad looking sandwich, huh? That's good, guys. I will tell you, I said to put 2 packets of ranch dressing mix in there. I only put 1, and I would possibly even go with just a titch less. So definitely only put 1 in there, maybe a little bit less than 1. But it's good. It tastes good. It could just use a little. It's a little overpowering on the ranch. A little less would be better, and it would be perfect. But anyway, if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.